Here is a breakdown of the latest news and supply chain rumors surrounding Apple's highly anticipated 12th generation iPad as of mid-March 2026. While many industry watchers expected the entry-level tablet to drop during Apple's early March press cycle, it was noticeably missing from the lineup, leaving the tech community looking ahead to later in the year. Anticipated release window because the 12th Gen iPad is completely absent from Apple's early March 2026 product drop, which saw the introduction of the iPhone 17e, the M4 iPad Air, and the MacBook Neo. The release timeline has shifted current expectations. Most analysts and supply chain leaks now point to a fall 2026 launch. Apple may be spacing out its releases to ensure the new base iPad doesn't cannibalize early sales of the freshly updated iPad Air or the new low-cost MacBook Neo. Expected pricing and storage. Despite massive internal upgrades, Apple is expected to aggressively target the budget and education markets. Starting price. Leaks consistently point to Apple maintaining the $349 starting price point. This would make it Apple's most affordable AI-capable device to date. Base storage. The entry-level model is expected to start at 128 GB, which provides a comfortable baseline for casual users without driving up the manufacturing cost. Technological upgrades. The Apple Intelligence pushed the 12th generation iPad is shaping up to be less about a visual redesign and entirely about internal future-proofing. Apple's primary goal is to bring the entire iPad lineup up to speed with its AI ecosystem. Processor. To run on-device AI, the new iPad needs Sirius silicon. Rumors are split between the A18 chip and the A19 chip. Either option represents a massive leap over the 11th gens, a 16 Bionic 0.8 GB of RAM. This is arguably the most crucial upgrade. Apple Intelligence. This requires a strict minimum of 8 GB of RAM. Bumping the memory up from 6 GB will allow the base iPad to support the revamped Siri, writing tools and Wi-Fi 7 and the N1 chip. Multiple sources indicate the base iPad will inherit Apple's custom N1 wireless chip. This will introduce Wi-Fi 7 and BLUETOOTH 6.0, offering significantly faster home networking speeds, lower latency, and more stable connections for peripherals like the Apple Pencil. Cellular models may also utilize Apple's new in-house C1X modem for improved power efficiency, display, and design. To keep costs at $349, the exterior will remain largely untouched. Expect the same 10.9-inch non-illuminated liquid retina LCD with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, thick bezels, and Touch ID integrated into the power button. The landscape front-facing camera introduced previously will also remain.